This is a breaking news. For the past 3 days since Monday, ahomache, a year and a Sunday, ahomache, and a Monday, ahomache, I yan in TSA, near Bema Christian Atsu, earthquake, of course, was thinking he's part of those people and the victims who are falling to this particular deadly earthquake. No, there were concerns. So, okay, where is he? Initial reports by say you know, and I reported he can't cry by any parties out of the many people, no, and almost are building a collapse here, which happened to be Kisinachu or any team members no more. No, by saying Kisinachu, our 9th floor. Now, 9th floor no more, no, and a collapse here. Now, by saying Kisinachu team members, they were able to find some your rescue will be more just an air semper, but up until Monday, Bepem. And who Christian Atsu and no and a report about see who Christian Atsu. We're all happy and Chebiana the report was disputed and said this whole thing is not true. Christian Atsu has not been found. It's the back Tuesday and no pa ahomachimu horn by 6 nyan say yes. Finally a Christian Atsu on a year the manager Nipia Sisiano they are safe and sound. Mr. Krabbe confirmed yesterday in a video echo viral on social media. And then we all confirmed the same news saying so okay Kisanachu finally ye near the ben that's on you so Kisanachu over here Sisiano it was your phone call son after that story it's for any actual for there's a new trace coming up now information eben na they say Kisanachu me no can say the manager because say hey Ghana for ebusuafo football lovers Kisanachu for mo am penasem na news a ebe e patch the manager edin simbia betuja ni manager ne ka say Kisanachu nipa na yi no enye Kisanachu etiefo nipa na yi no omo patch say enye Christian Atsu. I know that this news might come early because to some people Christian Atsu is alive and all if anything Yankopon ne ho ye. But this is it now. I say I could see more details into this. No, we want to put this on the screens. This particular one, if you ETV Ghana, usually news be say you try as much as possible to not to get other people's perspective. And now one more report saying it will not be say be accept you when I will cookie. Yeah, man. So let's see what is on the screens. Or say, following yesterday's updates from the club that Christian Atsu has been pulled out alive, we are yet to confirm his whereabouts. As you can imagine, this continues to be a very devastating time for his family, and we are doing everything we can to locate him. Official updates will be provided as more information comes to light. Please respect the family's privacy during the harrowing times and refrain from spreading substantiated news as they will only hamper the search of Christian Atsu. Management of Christian Atsu nana secure. So nana search. So what we are learning now is that Christian Atsu the manager abekasa Christian Atsu manager ekase ya titi say yehun but ye ka say yehun no omo etu anamo se omo ko Turkey anase ombe pa nkofo akọ nya hu bibia Christian Atsu won mpo Turkey see a crisis no mu facing nkofo bebre and I adding and what touching man there's a need for medical a year to say me in susha and you know say Kisanachu kra no ne what it me if you rob numa it will be safe say you better transporting akọ ebia UK and a different country now at the end of the day your man better healthcare. But the manager Neka say, Omuko Pim so searching for the whereabouts of Christian Atsu. They are not getting it. It's for as I'm here. Now, that is not all. If you think ETV or ETV Ghana updates me a little bit distorted, watch this. This is coming from Joy News on the screens. Now, what is Joy News saying and what are they talking about now? And let me know can say Adani IMC because most of first thoughts okay, Christian Atsu was found and that is the end of story. Wishing him speedy recovery. But now the update ban air patches say Christian Atsu may have not been found, and if it's not been found, what it means is that his chances of survival now, as in Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, very minimal, but still the God of vengeance and be true then you more TikTok he can do more things. I'm saying this because we've had cases people have been under rubble for almost a week, they were pulled out alive. So at this time obi ne kan assembly that say Nyankopon Christian Atsu mana any eduane What I say, because God can give the bread of life. God can give the bread of life. I don't need to eat again. So everything is possible. Now look at this. Is it for if you watch what's on the screens? This coming from Joy News. Also finding Christian Atsu. We and a new twist from the manager and our clubs, the managers of his club. Was when we heard the news that he was taken to Dotio Hospital, we especially went and looked, but he was not there. At the moment, we accept the sporting director Savio Tena and Christian Atsu were not found on Monday night, unfortunately. In some more patch and say a bromoti say you Christian Atsu no team managers so munina your margin say be kwa hospital or nempo be a bit my afa ho a branch you be secure ye be but ye be bibi afa now unfortunately they were not able to locate Christian Atsu. They were not able to locate Christian Atsu. So that is the sad news. Ebasisia minua ba wa hasi akwaba. None of us expected that this will happen. Give what is happening? We need indemnity. We need indemnity, but give us what is happening.
Okay, so ever since our issue we see as a man for be try say they'll get to know the whereabouts of a year Christian Atsu. Joanna fe better say abrante ye hunu. I must say a man for any so finally he's been found. If this and Yankupon Makio Nyame nature say and Zempi and a man for acre. Now recently the better just see ama I am she kakra and say a year hater spa club doctor we put the year director and I say manager na say bibi doctor nkasa che say o hwe team members no hwe omo so e bi obi hu to chema na say bibi a doctor wo hwe omo so no doctor ni chire ma wo mu say omo te say Christian Atsu ye yi ne de na omo yi na frɛ ye ramba na me kire dan ye adwurugu ye kogu no so ano hye ase no omo timi yi na fiase na omo te ye de omo te ne say de na kɔto ye hospital ba ko wo ye Turkey omo kopie mu omo de omo te ana ndi omo de obesi aho pepre ni ade omo sese omo fo omo ho so omo kɔhwɛ omo kɔ na kyese Christian Atsu eni ho ena before say eye doctor be ba be kasakra no eye Ghana ambassador to Turkey eye Madam Francisca anopei wa granted some interviews and na mu say though say we are making it seem like eye Christian Atsu is the only Ghanaian now what taking. There are other students
okay.
But those students no omo anka. Fortunately no more there no omo anka, but then they are trying ways and means ye be ye omo nyina aba back to Ghana because those enko forward taking, but Ghanaians what taking very limited that omo no so. But with the case of Christian Atsu no ono akwakoya ambassador to Ghanaian ambassador to Turkey no onim se oteye ene e friend no bonamane so say abrante na dey hunu ye no but currently no na ono on share that enya obi be say the exact location and I say exact hospital omode na kwakoto say bi abrante ne da ha anase woda ha anase bi oda ne ye ana ba bia oda no enye no onyanya sa information needed but what she knows for sure no is that the guy has been found. So this is what Madam Francisca Turkish Ghanaian ambassador no edibetuja. Then we no na say within a twinkle of an eye, within just a few minutes, seconds, we ye try ye nikoba ye na say ye chirema gabi gavesi or ye omo club doctor no were granting interview on one of the stations what Turkey na ye tutu na no busa ne say enti so far no abrante ne dabre mu ti sen ye ti say se ne breathing no enhye danjina yie na ne nan so ne adade enti epise hu se sen na e kono se the abeto jane say ye te ye say onu so ye yi no because ade quick ni see ye no obi a rush for the life and afin so no baby a obi a wo enko enti omo de na say omo no munya omo ho edim kakra hwe ya nto omo enti e ba ne sa na say they have to look out for the other people na say club members omo ho aka no na omo ti say Christian Atsu yetimi ayi no eye ono because that report ne ba ye na echemu say eye ono ene eye the sporting director yes Savata now say ho ahom de omudi ni de kire ginyame o tese omumienu no e no mo kan later ne ye beti say ye hu Christian Atsu na ba ko na oka ho no onu ye hu ye na brantie omo doctor onu hwe team fo ne so amanfo omo yare wo team e bia ho to twuma na se bi onu oda team hwe omo so no no e kasa o chemu say no kre omo ti say ye de na ko hospital ba ko but omo ko ye no omu to anam hospital omu call ye na say omu anhu ni wo ho. And then from the look of things, no, they've searched other hospitals because I not pay a year Turkish journalist. Odi kan be breaking news ne say ade omo hu Christian Atsu no no so abekasa no twemu say following the earthquake no ama communication ayedin kakra because cables ne ade ne wires ne bi no ama ofuro bi a obre ansa na wonsa etimi aka nipa no. So right now no o place call so oberechi agent for ne ade but ne nsa entimi nkan omo a obetimi asisi dua say Christian Atsu this particular hospital anase odaha anase ha no da anase bi omo de na command fufuro so anase bibi no ontimi nche eno na chese papa insu ne nsem a obeka no ase ya confirm the Turkish journalist ne beka ya akwakwa ya yem hihye kakra because he saying say so far as omachin hospital say what taking ni na omu hu abrante na obi anso entimi nsisi dua se bi de ne ko ha na se de ne ko ha na asa ya yem hihye kakra entino they've come to a conclusion. And no can say at the moment we accept that not just on my babeja to say Christian Atsu any the sporting director no Monday said the no mokasi yehunu Kamia say they've not found the guy yet.
Now this is a very devastating news. As at now no the consensus amount for ABC say it's been 3 days. Imagine living without water, food for 3 days, coupled with fear. Na concrete eda also na untimi home. The big question whether Christian Atsu has been found and na hospital ehunu the big question amount for bisane say is he alive? Can he survive? Can he survive? If indeed yehu Christian Atsu, can he survive these 3 days? Is there a possibility? Is there any glimmer of hope that we can see him alive? Because it's a new twist and honestly we are all tired because any confusion. Because yesterday Ghana everybody was happy. Everybody was happy yesterday. But there's a new and we are also learning. So mind you, you're seeing for almost 7,800 and a WCCR or Turkey. The death toll is going on because still they are pulling people from the rubble and other places are here accounting for. So Usha, it may be not death toll in the victim of 15,000. And unfortunately, Atsu could be one of them. But is there hope that Atsu won't be one of them?
Nana, the way I assemble when they say no, I am Shishenkwa. We just have to be positive. That's what I can say. Because maybe at Missy, I mean, anything can happen. That we can find him, he will be alive. Maybe not damages and not say injuries, no, na bebre. So far as sports and the club doctor no said they are accepting say he has not been found no picking it from their angle no in offenses that break they be another so we just have to be positive. Don't say ding bibi say no once you are in a state of dilemma
because
why
it's sad.
Confused.
We were
all praying that he doesn't die.
We were all at the studios this morning. Everybody was going about the business. Christian Atsu, what is next? Then we realized that this is the news that happened. What I say, but do you think that Ghana confused? But do you think that the Ghana Football Association and perhaps setting a few delegation no because you see and the people who are entrusted to do this work no. They are playing and tossing with the feelings of Ghanaians. See, and we understand say the Ghana people and the Ghana students and the Ghana for more tech, you know. You see, I see Obia okay. Obia okay. See, and the resources and to Ghana for na. E de kwa share. Sa Ghana for atorenchem atu more tech, you know. I didn't and yen ko share Atsu because you see, anabano minister be so ba. MPB so epene mame obia epre ne so who is on the ground?
Nana, I think